slime overnight. Look what happened. All these bubbles spawned in there like hard. Look how it's like a layer. This one has a layer too. Breaking the layers are just too satisfying. Sometimes you get to get a little more hard. I can mix this off camera and make it so it's better. Or I could just get off all the hard pieces. But this is satisfying. Are you ready, guys? Oh! It's a dried out layer. It's so satisfying. And all the good stuff is under there. See that? It's good stuff. This one? Let's try this one out. This is what you do when you leave like Elmer's slime out for 24 hours. Actually, yeah, slime. I'm gonna soften them up off camera. Bye, guys.